Alright guys, yo, what is good? It's me, Cheo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically boost your SoundCloud by a ton. Like, it really is great for whatever you're trying to do. And so, let's get right in the video.
Never got a single sign. Being live 4 times, you always hit and then again. It's so harder when a warning, never got a single sign. Say it's taking time, all from us feel love and feeling right. Thought I had it in the bag and I would say that you were mine.
Alright, so look, I'll just show you my SoundCloud pulse. Well, the reason it has a big boost right here is because I bought a promo for $10 and it had like all these pages and stuff add me to their playlist. But besides that, all the likes and reposts and comments are from this app called SoundCloud Repost, sorry. And you may not be familiar with it, but basically I'll show you guys the app. So you can go here, and basically that's me, and you have these tokens, right? And so when you join, you'll start maybe with like 30, but let's just say you're doing rap or something. It's under hip hop and rap. So I can scroll down here and you can see their approval rates and stuff, and I think mine's pretty high. Mine's like a 96. But basically you can go and pay like people in the tokens to go repost your songs, and it really does boost it a lot. So like, I'll just give you an example. See, all of these are pretty low approval rates, so I'm not going to do any. But see, there's a 10 one. I don't want to spend 10, but this guy, I like this guy. See, I've reposted like 4 songs. So we can just go here and you can offer 2 extra credits. So I already did 1, but it'll add 3 credits to pay him to it like incentivizes his way to comment on my track, and so that's how you get so many comments. But still, they just repost it, and then you would get 2 credits back if they didn't comment. So let's just say that I don't know that. No, I'm not gonna type anything, but let's just, so there, like, basically, and then these are all the people wanting me to do it. And see, this person, whoa. Yeah, but you have to play the track to repost it or they won't let you. And you got to switch up your comments or they'll ban you, I guess. But yeah, I have 38 tokens. And let's go back to here. So basically, like, yeah, I have like a ton of comments on this and likes, and it really helps too, because I was at, maybe 2 weeks ago when I got this, I was at maybe 20 followers, and now I'm at 233 and I'm in 7 playlists. So I mean, it's really good, and I would recommend this to y'all. So I'm gonna drop a code down below to where I can refer you guys and stuff. It's completely free. It's on the App Store called RepostExchange. So I want you guys to go check it out. It helps a lot with a big boost, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, also guys, I forgot to add this, but if you're still watching, I found out how to show like all-time stats. So basically I got 11K like listens or plays, and then 420 likes, 550 reposts, and then 250 comments. So like, really, I don't know how I would have done this without this app, and it's really helping me get a big boost, because I mean, I've got like 200 followers on SoundCloud in maybe like 2 or 3 weeks. Like, it's been really quick, and it's helping me grow. And I forgot to say, the more followers you get, I think it's when you get to 200 you start getting 2 repost tokens, then like 300 you get 3, and then like so on. But basically, it's just it boosts a lot, and it's really helpful. And basically, I got all my songs right here. I made like 8, and I'm fixing to drop an album, so I'm gonna leave my links below, and I hope you guys will check some of this out, like some of these songs. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and please drop a like and comment and subscribe.